Here are 5 more legal Latin terms that we use frequently in court. First is de novo. This literally translates into from the new. Typically, we're going to see de novo as in how the court is reviewing a case. So if this is a case of first impression in front of a court, they may write in their opinion, we review this de novo. Next, we have in camera. This means in private. We use this term when we're describing if there have been discussions perhaps done in chambers or between the parties that have been done privately, so in camera, or the judge reviewed something in camera, so in private. Next, we have pro se, and this means on one's own behalf, so you're representing yourself. Pro se, that's the term that we would use. Next, we have sua sponte, which means of one's own accord. We use this where a judge or the court has determined that there's some information that needs to get to the jury in order for them to make a just decision, but neither party has actually raised this issue. So the court may raise this issue sua sponte in order to bring this issue to light so that the jury can have the appropriate amount of information on a particular situation in order to make a proper verdict. Next, we have amicus curiae. This literally translates into friend of the court. Typically, we see this in the form of a brief. So if there's a very controversial or difficult subject in front of a court, other parties may come in that aren't actually part of the lawsuit and draft a brief up that gives information to the judges to help them make their decision or a more informed decision. So these are called amicus curiae briefs, and you will see a lot of amicus curiae briefs in controversial cases or very difficult to understand type litigation. So there you have it, 5 more legal Latin terms.